Okay, welcome back to a joint special Toho TV, Dagula TV 2025. Our last appearance together for 2025. I'm here no prof. Sizokhuluma ngomngani wami inyoka ekuyinyayo ehlanzayo. Kune version 2. If you thought the last one Betusa, wait until you hear le ukuthi isuka kanjani from the last one. Prof, inyoka ekuyinyayo updated version. Please share ngayo.
Brakebi abantu ku last episode they thought ukuthi no inyoka le ithusa kakhulu. Until ngibanjiwe kahle kahle ngibanjiwe. So mangibanjwe prof no please can you please explain better because uyabona nje ngilamba so lo muntu lo ngimbona aphumelela phambi kwamehlanga and ngangifuna mana ngangisaba ukuthi lento ofika ingigwinye ingilahle ngakusasa mangasabuya ngabantwana bami bazothi amathamba akuphi so bangizwe kahle bangizwa inyoka Brakebi le remember kunabantu abayithatha nabanye omunye wazathi prof mina ngifuna ukuvela ngibatshela abantu ngoba anginandaba abantu bathini ngami so what kunento engiyithandayo la kule nyoka le egunyayo manje khumbula ukuthi beyi 250 so ngabuya manje ngayikhada futhi ngathi okay seyizoba 100 deposit kube ngu50 into ekhona ngizwile ngikhulumile iprice sengiyaqhubeka ngiyachaza into ekhona epowerful ngale nyoka ithathwa ama artist ithathwa umuntu wakamuntu ithathwa ama lawyer ithathwa abodokotela baphila nayo lento uthi omunye prof ngibonile man lo muntu lo akukhonakala ukuthi angaphakama ngendlela le ngakhona thina sicula naye siloku silenga endaweni eyi but angifuni ukusho ukuthi ubani kanjani into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi inyoka inamandla ngendlela ecakile KB remember inyoka yenza izinto sishele inyoka yenza into Brakebi uyabona inyoka uma uyibambenza yes ingaphunyuka la uyibambe so iphuma ihambe ngoba yenzani yenza izinto zakho noma bangathi bazivalile iziphunyulele ibona impilo yakho iqhubeke phambili into emnandi ngokuthi ngale nyoka lena wena Brakebi ayisathatha ukuthi sithi no izothatha 30 days ithathe 50 days ithathe how many days umunye ngathi 2 months 3 years so no uthatha inyoka manje 2 weeks time phumelela thatha inyoka namhlanje ngiyakugeza ngikwenze konke le emnandi ngayo 2 weeks kicks off
Isangwinya na
no angisabhunyisi nginyoka manje
okay
sengifika ngokusebenza sengikwenze kwabalula ukuthi ungasasabi ukungena ngale ukuthi eyithuna lami bangeke balibone basekhaya manje sengikwenza ama trick amanye imithi eminye ngugeze ngayo ngibona ukuthi izolunga kahle yini emzimbeni wakho
okay so does this mean ukuthi le yokudala uyilele and then this is the new one or because some people amadela bafuna le ekuyinyayo
no ayifanga le gunyayo
okay sasekhona
isesekhona
okay but there's a lesser
nyoka egunyayo ngoba ingagwinyi but isebenza umsebenzi ofana so siyenzela lokho ukuthi lo munye uthi prof ngisaba ukungena emangalendlini lezinyoka ngithi ngiyaphuma ngizithole angisaphumi but ngiyayifuna inyoka ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi yasebenza that is why ngithi no I think yakhe ngale ndlela le so that nalo oyifunayo osaba ukungena ngale imbamba akwazi ukuphila ke right
okay one last question mina man coach abantu kunyoka as you know ngihlala ngifune ngiyastruggle if there's any struggle ngaso ucoach umuntu and then help him to connect nalento le inyoka but sometimes when I succeed I always find ukuthi I succeed more with women than amadoda why is it or yimi ngifila ngathi yabandlulula between men and women why is it that inyoka is more successful nabafazi than men ngiyazi ukuthi your opinion yakho but why could that be the case
Brakebi abafazi ba patience bafazi ukuze izinto zabo ukwazi ukuthwala isiso for 9 months. Akavilapha ukubekezela noma athatha lento ayithatha ukuthi noma uKP uthi ngenze so or ukhuleni uthi ngenze so ukwenza so ithi ngiyeke lento ngiyibona ukuthi izoyinganyana. But man, you can coach him today and tell him to do 1 2 3 angakaqedeleli the vision noma le coaching omtshele yona yokufonela abraKP ngiyini ntsema so amadoda abekho patience. Amadoda afuna into yamanje and noma somchazela ukuthi no man lento le izokusebenzela but thatha umoya wakho ulahlele le uyenze lento so akenzi njalo. So hayi ukuthi sithanda abafazi, sithanda amadoda, sithanda wonke umuntu, just ukuthi abantu besifazane bakhona ukulalela baphinde balalisisa iloko kwenza abafazi bakwazi ukuphumelela.
Okay, complaint yami is to ebengikhalela ngayo always abantu after bathatha lento le sex drive iyala. Is it still the same ngalento le or that's not gonna happen? Because almost everyone was complaining with baba I think sex manje as opposed to the last time in that one mina ngeke ngicoach sex drive angizazi lezo izinto. And every time mangikhuluma nawe uthi no it's not ngitshela straight into the camera over jail straight is straight ingaphumi yini because mina ngidlulile that part included.
No, ebafowethu braKP inyoka and umelwazi ukuthi inyoka net if awazi vele uzothi no hayi inyoka ihlala esestradini no inyoka ihlala esestradini noma ehladini la ikhona mayingena emgodini wayibona balekele emgodini ithukile ingena emgodini izilula ngako lokho ukuthi ibuyise ubuyona. So lokho makunyuka kunokufuna ukwenza phela ukuthi kwazi na ukuphila
Nizwela ke okay so you are admitting ukuthi lento level
vele angifuni ukamba manga bakukeni mangabe bovele uzondela lento wazi ukuthi kuyithatha lento uzogijima nayo. Omunye bekathukile athi ngiyashada manje ukushada kwami ngeke affect lento le ngophela uyazi ukuthi kumele ngithi no shada kunenkinga nethi nayo umtshela ukuthi kumele bekezele yasithandela le ndawo.
There's also that case here ukuthi. And that's why I booze because at the time I felt like but I was not satisfied. Ukuthi lo muntu uthe yena uyagula. Ishukela bembulele manje lento le ayisalala. So that was my fear ukuthi okay lo muntu lo akasafuna ukuthatha namaphilisi ngoba uthi no everything is fine. Sekabuyele inkinga leyo ukuthi should people rely on lento because uyazi ukuthi sinjani lento le bengasebenzi ishukela bengishayile manje ngithatha inyoka seyasebenza should I leave my medication kanjani. Can you just please explain? Because sometimes when I say ukuthi no you can't leave your medication because it will affect other things, people don't listen. Tell from you the owner over jail.
No medication KP ungayekeli ngoba ukuyekela medication oyidlayo lapha wena lento ikona umzimba wakho ubona ngathi lokugula kusekho. Yes beyifile seyavuka but continue uphuze medication yakho ngoba ezinye isikhathi uyokwata uzije ukuthi ayilo kanjani angathi sefuna ukushaya ngalezinye izinto ukugula lokho amakubuya kungasakuthetheleki. Into engifuna ukutshela yona akusho ukuthi mawudla umuthi yekela lokho kodokotela bathi kudle ukubhange so either lo munye ukudla ngo2 nokunye udla 2:30. That's all.
Yeah, well. All right, Prof. So we could minimum price until we repeat because I know people are gonna ask again.
100,000 deposit 50k. Asile nale. Uzuphetha 150k cash and normal. Uletha uKP la ekhaya. Ubooka bafowethu sabooka 1.5. Don't just come uthi ayenza amawuki no. So
abantu bayangibuza 1.5 does it include ukuhlola or do I book nge 1.5 and then tell you explain is it separate from monthly realize go ukuhlola or is the 1.5 for ukubuka
ukubooka braKP 1.5
okay it's separate from ukuhlola
yes mawufika la ekhaya ukhipha 500 siyahlola enhleke sithi manje sivale kanje braKP 2k
okay
so that angathe prof 1.5 then 500 yabadida asibasize ke ukubooka is 2,000 rand, and then we're gonna also talk more about it next year 2026, so that bantu bakhona ukungena la enhloko siphinde sisho ukuthi ukubooka and consultation is 2K.
Siyabonga.